We should have brought our winder from home.
Was it Seth Thomas?
No. It's
Fall off with that.
Rex.
Oh, video.
Rex? Something.
Rex what?
Rex Clark. Chances of finding one.
A what?
Did you put the hairdryer in there?
No.
There's a hairdryer in this drawer. Nice one. This is one of the biggest rooms in the hotel.
Why is it so blurry?
Alright, that's enough.
The clock key
Lost
that,
his mark.
that winds the
They probably
clock.
don't want you touching it. It's just for show.
Get those away from my pillow.
Is it cold?
Who wants to go to the saloon?
I have to get ready.
You want to go to the saloon?
I have to get ready.
Hmm?
I have to get ready.
You're not interested? You want to get dressed first?
Oh my god, you're taking your clothes off?
I'm just putting my buttons